Hey guys, today we're going to make a couple didgeridoos. You're going to need a couple things. A piece of PVC pipe, 2 inches, hacksaw. I want some fire, so I brought a blowtorch. Here I have 2 different Gatorade bottles. This is a whole Gatorade bottle, and this is the top of a Gatorade bottle. Here's a 10-foot piece of pipe. I'm going to cut it into 2 lengths, one at 5.5 feet and the other at 4.5 feet. Alright, I'm going to pick up these little bit of shavings that fell off. What you want to do is take your blowtorch and heat up the end of it. Do it evenly. You don't want to hold it in one spot for too long. There we go. Now we're going to take this one and just cram it right in there as good as we can and hold it. Hold it down. This is the mouthpiece we're forming. It gets hot though, so be careful. Hold it for about a minute. Alright, we got our mouthpiece formed. Let's see what it sounds like. That sounds pretty cool. Now we're going to put a bell on it so it's a little bit louder. Alright, and then take the top of the Gatorade bottle and just jam it right in there. Be careful not to distort the end too much. You want to hold it like this and then just let it cool like the other end. Alright, we got a bell formed on the end of it now. It's a rough bell, but it's still a bell. Alright, let's make the other one. That is how you make didgeridoos. Different lengths make different tones. Alright guys, please like, follow, and share.